In this video, we'll talk about objects. Objects are like containers that help us store and organize information. I'll show you how to create objects, access their contents, and make changes to them. So let's get started. Think of an object as a box with compartments inside, where you can store different items. So for example, we can have a box labeled person. And inside the box, each compartment has a label, like first name, last name, and so on. And inside the compartment, you can store a value, like the first name can be a string, Livio, and the last name can also be a string. So once again, we have a box labeled person that has two compartments, first name and last name. Each compartment can have a value. In this case, both of them are strings. But it can be numbers or even other objects. So let's create an object that stores some information about a person. Const person is equal to curly braces, first name, Livio, and last name, Brown. Now let's print this object. So console.log person. Run the program. And you will see first name Livio and last name Brown inside curly braces. And this is the way you create an object. We have a person object that has two fields, first name and last name. Now that we have our object, we want to access the values inside the fields. To do that, we can use the object name dot the field name. So here's how to do it. Console.log person dot first name, or console.log person dot last name. Save it and run the program. And you'll see person dot first name prints Livio and person dot last name prints Brown. Sometimes you might want to change the value of a field or add a new field to the object. So let's see how to do that. To change the value of a field, you can do person dot first name is now John. And then console.log person. And now person is first name John and last name Brown. Also, if you print person dot first name, you'll also see John. And if you want to add a new field, you can just do person dot age, which is a field that we don't currently have in our person object, is equal to 30. And then console log person. First name, last name, and age. So now age is a field inside our person object. Now objects are very useful for storing and organizing information in your programs. In the next videos, we'll explore more ways to work with objects, like using functions and making connections between objects. See you in the next one.